everybody. It's West Coast Swing Dancing with the Herndon Social Dancers. You better know. Miss
Hello.
the Herndon girl. We're going to show you, we teach here twice a month, and this is a brand new move, never ever shown in all the places I've taught. Hope you like it. It's a 7th in my Loop Her series. But how we began the class. Right side underarm pass, bringing her down the track. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You raise her right, raise my left, pull her down the track, pass off the track, send her through, 5 and 6. Now that was the basic part, but this isn't really the move. The next part begins as a right side underarm. You're going to stay on the track leaders. So on a sugar push, stay in front of her. Raise her, right hand, bring her up. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. And if you notice, I just give her a little push and help to rotate her back to where she started with my right hand. 6 count. Nice and slow, nice and smooth. And it shouldn't take much for her to follow that. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Just front to back. So you can see how I bring the arm down, stay in her way, don't allow her to go by me. 5 and 6, keep the hand low. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so now we're going to get loopy. Show her the move first. Unless you have somebody that really follows well, just show it to her. Both would appreciate it. Sugar push, and then we're going to do it, and then show you how to do it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It works a really slow song. But again, I'm taller than Laura, and I still have to adjust my elbow height. So if you have a taller partner, if you're shorter than your partner, you'll have to adjust on you. So the difference of this is, when I bring her in 1, 2, 3, and 4, we're going to stop on 4. I go 1, 2, 3, and 4. And how you lead this is going to vary, but I'm going to keep pressure on her right underside of her shoulder, not in her armpit, but in her shoulder blade. Apply pressure and tilt her to the left. Raising my elbow, the point of my elbow, almost to the sky. Because there's the loop. You have to create as much height for her to at least tilt her head and get underneath it without messing her up. Don't do that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I really got to get up there. It doesn't take a lot for me to do it, but you got to practice that. Let's go this direction just so I can show you the loop, and we'll do it front to back one more time. 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6. And as she's doing a 5 and 6, I push her back to where she was. All right, last time front to back. And I'm going to get a little bit out of the way just so you can see how I use the rotation. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Okay? It's a really pretty move. It does require some assistance, and show it to her ahead of time. That way you both look good doing it. People go, what was that? You go, no, that's nothing. We practiced that. So, thank you. Thanks, guys. Please give us a like when you like this video. And also don't forget to subscribe. We'll have a video in a couple weeks from Herndon, but I post one every week. It's for you. It's my way of giving back because of my passion for dance. Until next time, have a great week. And as always, keep dancing.
Thank you. Bye.